You look tired.
Drain the life right out of me.
Mike, is this Rust Bros approved? Why didn't I? Well, let's grab it. This is taking forever. Milwaukee for the win.
Milwaukee for the win.
Does it work off the lighter?
No, it's got its own battery.
It's got its own battery pack off the, what is it called? M18 batteries. Look at this. Turns into a natural organic integration and promo for Milwaukee.
Yes, turn it on. Put the pressure to,
Whatever the tire says?
yeah, say 35, say 40. Push the button.
Well, what are you doing right now?
I'm going to watch you do it. I'm training you. You need all the help you can get.
My mom said I was a gem, Mike. I got her fooled too.
Yeah, blood diamond.
I'm a cubic zirconia, I think.
Yeah, definitely. Are you going for coffee in your hand?
Yes. See if the suspension will hold.
What are you doing?
Lincoln, hi.
Why'd you park your van in a puddle?
It's been here for 6 months, Michael. And the puddle was not here when I first.
Okay, yeah, 40 pounds should be good. You should read it, but I think 40 is good. It's probably maximum 50.
It's like foolproof. It's got the twist on thing and everything without the, like the ones we get, like
Yes.
the bicycle ones. That are
Yes.
annoying.
Okay, now just push the last knob. One that
40.
says pump. Nope.
39.
Nope.
40.
Okay.
Ooh, that sounds way more powerful than that pump.
19, 20. Okay, read it. See what it says, Matt, on that tire. What does it say the pressure should be, Matt? Read that tire. Man, that thing is in small letters there somewhere. Load range and tire pressure.
350 kPa,
What's that?
51 psi.
Okay, so put it at 40. It's good. Right? That's max.
Max 51.
Yeah. Yeah, 40 is good. Why does it sit down so low? Is there a lot of weight in it?
Yes. It's got a bunch of tires and rims and stuff.
Oh.
On it. That's why I'm going to barrier, dropping it off at the shop, and then I'm gonna. Really?
Yes, man. Check them all. Don't just check one.
Yeah, but I can.
That one could be a 20. And it's really hard to guess tire pressure by looking at them. Right? And this one's 38.
What a piece of equipment.
Yes.
Thank you, Milwaukee.
And then if you push this one, it keeps the setting.
Okay.
And if you push the stop, it goes back to 0. So we just put the pump on and on.
7 years, Michael. 7 years.
You have learned nothing. Nothing. It's unbelievable. It's like trying to teach a rock something. Okay. What do we got here? Come on.
Look at that.
See, 27 pounds.
Oh, wait, where's the... What a beautiful morning here at the shop.
You're not taking my charger.
No, I don't want to leave it here, so we know that when we get back, we'll take it out.
Thing's worth $1,000.
I'm not taking it with me.
Well, yeah, you are. It's in your van.
Right, well, here, I'll huff it back then. Is it locked?
It's still running.
No, it's here. Yes, it's still running.
The car is still running. It's charging.
Yeah, this car is mint.
Okay, turn it on. Not.
It just smells burnt. What's the plastic smelling burnt? How's it
Turn
going?
it off and see if it starts. I don't know if your
Yeah, but
battery's holding
it
a
just
charge.
ran.
It's been running 5 minutes.
How about we drive there, let it run?
Turn it off and turn it on.
Why?
Because it should be charged by now. If it's a good battery.
It's Mike, it's been dead for 6 months.
Doesn't matter. It should have taken a charge. Your alternator's working. Your battery's probably kaput. Crank it.
It's on.
Okay.
It's been on for like literally
5 minutes. It should have charged up enough to do something.
No, the
and it
battery's
didn't.
so.
Your battery might be kaput.
You need 15 minutes.
I don't
In
think
my
so.
lifetime, it's 15 minutes.
Well, okay, you're the expert, Matt. But
7 years, I've learned a lot.
you've learned nothing. Okay, start it again.
And what's this piece of equipment? DSR.
Jump starter, Schumacher.
You
Very good.
You
Yes.
swear by this one.
I swear by that one because it's the thumper. 12 and 24 volt.
There you
I
go.
mean, your alternator's working fine, right? See, look.
Yes, I'll get a
See?
battery, worst case.
See, it's putting out 14 volts. 14.6.
Because if it's over 14, it's charging. What is
Why-
it? What
why
is the
do they
roll?
over 12 it's charging?
Right. But also, there's a bit of like corrosion. Here we are at Hot Rods and Classics. Special pickup for Mr. Michael Hall. Relegated to driving this today. Just for Michael. Over the Coquihalla with mountain and snow tires that are passable at best. That's cool. Okay, there we go. Special delivery for Michael. Oh, pretty clean. Look how clean it looks. Holy smokes. Look at this alleyway here. Oh, that's great. Here, here's some of your stuff. But first,
What's this?
but first, Michael,
What? First
there's
what?
some of the test merchandise.
Test merchandise.
Here, take a look.
Oh, that's a nice cup.
It's not a bad print job.
But those are nice.
Close
Those
your
are
eyes.
Nice. Yeah, close my eyes. Yeah. No, you're not. What's this one? Oh, there we go. That's nice. Ooh, that's pretty classy looking, isn't
It
it?
looks good.
Yeah, those are pretty cool.
Those are pretty cool.
Okay, but what is this?
I don't know. They had a list. They checked it off and they gave it to me, and I have the list in the car.
We already got the Blazer body mounts.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
I'm not sure. You're sure. Are we going to see Sonic 3?
they already sent them to me, unless they gave them. Wait a sec.
They picked the whole order.
Okay.
So
well,
just-
anyway.
But what's that? So that's body mounts?
Yeah, we got them. What's this one? Headlight mounting brackets. Okay, we found some. No, this is for the Chevelle.
Oh,
Okay,
that's why,
Okay,
okay.
so there must be.
Th-
Is there more stuff?
Yes, as in the box.
Okay, yeah, because there should be. Okay, what are these?
Well, come help me get.
These are for
They
the
didn't
Dodge.
take. We didn't take them out of the boxes because we didn't take the pans, so we just threw everything in.
Okay.
So come help me grab the thing.
Oh, let's just go for dinner.
What?
We'll just take a look at my truck. It's
We'll
dinner.
do, no, let's empty it.
We'll empty it tomorrow.
It'll take
Why?
5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll do it in the morning. I'm tired.
Are we going to see Sonic 3?
I haven't seen. It's supposed to be not bad.
Yes, it's supposed to be good. They did
What
not.
time Sonic 3 that we
6:40 or 6:30. We have
We leave
time.
right now. We got time for this
Where are
morning.
we going?
We got it. We only got time
I have a
for this
minivan.
morning.
My minivan's good to go.
Okay, we'll just leave the in it. We'll unload it when we get back. To leave right now.
If I'm fine, that's fine.
Okay.
Is my door open or closed upstairs? No, it's closed. Good job. I'm gonna turn the heat on to 30. Home sweet home. Oh, Jesus. Okay. All is well. Did you see the Bob Dylan movie? Did you go see the Bob Dylan movie?
It's not playing here.
It isn't? I saw it this week. I took Avery there in this afternoon of consolation.
Is it good or not?
It's fucking great. It's just some songs I didn't even know. I didn't know that his first album was all covers, except for a couple. Hey, hey, would it, Mr. Guthrie? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what's going on? You're what? Let's just bring it. It's 2 boxes. It's super simple.
Okay. Well, there's got to be more stuff than that.
There's 3. There's 2 tubs. Decent. There's some tubs and then a couple more buckets. No, just 2 tubs of the big ones. This looks good. Oh, I like these trucks.
Fuck. Blair just couldn't help himself. This hood was perfect.
But what'd you
Bent it.
How?
He just, I bent.
So what do you have to do to fix
You
it?
can't.
What?
You can't fix it with that. But we're gonna try. It was just been a long day.
But it was working and the hinges were on and everything?
Yeah, the hinges were on it.
So-
You just pushed it. No big deal, right? It's just like, the hinges.
What bent? The hinges?
Here, on an eighth of an inch, just because, you try and it don't work and.
Yes, and you keep pushing until it goes.
Yeah, well.
Yes. It didn't go.
No, it didn't go. That's okay, it's still a good.
It still looks like it's closing.
Yes. Oh yeah, it's good.
And it looks like it's even, it's just on the inside.
It's good. No, basically, we're gonna try and heat it up just a bit.
You could probably
Feel it, not
He's
feel
a
it.
metal master.
No. Well, it's just.
Oh yeah, a little bump.
Yeah.
But it's a roller, but
I
also,
know. It was such a beautiful hood.
I know.
Okay.
That's the original, that's not the original hood.
Look at that, probably wheels.
Yes, it looks fantastic. It's a nice looking truck. They're nice, they're cool trucks. The 350, they're perfect.
I even ordered a windshield.
You
for
should
it.
put one. You should take this and just put Lincoln in the back. Let him screech to high heaven.
Put the bumper on. We don't have to where's my coat?
You don't need to make it nice, just rock guard it.
Look, I just shoveled this off this morning.
And yes, my minivan I needed a boost this morning, so I had to around with that for half an hour.
Matt says you have to work faster.
I didn't say that one bit. Michael.
If you want me to work faster, I'm gonna need paint.
Yes, we need paint.
Good morning.
Where's the paint? Good morning, Matt. Where's the paint?
Well, I just texted Chad, and Chad said that he sent you the number for the guy at the whatchamacallit, Cassidy. So I just got that number.
The whatchamacallit?
The guy, the color compass. The
Color compass, not BCAF?
BASF.
Yes.
It's sold through Color Compass and a contact. It's okay, I got it now.
Cassidy!
Are you sleeping? What the hell?
You still
You ready to work?
5 more minutes.
No. What happened to you? There's no nightclubs up where you live, is there?
No, but that was a really good movie I was watching last night.
Are you kidding me? So you stayed up all night watching videos?
Well, it was a movie, but yeah.
What movie was it?
I can't remember what it's called, but it's about that.
Great.
But it's about this. It was on Crave. I think it's like a Crave original, but it's. I used to be. Oh no, that's what it was. I used to be funny.
I used to be productive, they can call it.
That's right. I'm shocked and amazed. It was a school night.
That's right, it was a school night. You were up late.
Yeah, and I still got 5 more minutes, 4
4.
more minutes to take a nap before 8.
Oh, that's nice.
What Todd gave you?
I got something else too.
An AC transmission.
Thank you, Todd.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
Brand new, and Victor parts are interchangeable with these. So that's great.
Sick.
All right.
And I got spoiled lately.
Yes. Yes, you are.
Yes, you are, Cassidy.
Ooh. Awesome. I wish I had some of those here.
There
Yeah.
is some of these here somewhere.
Very cool.
Tinted, so when you're using the torch, it doesn't like burn out your eyeballs.
So now you just need those. Oh, there they are. Right. Cool. Oh, well, okay, fine. It's yours. I'll quit with it. But it's shiny and new. And it's so cool.
I know. Now I'm gonna have to build a torch cart.
Cool?
Yeah, super cool. It's awesome.